What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Authentically Nat. I am so happy to see you here again. If you are new, my name is Natalie. You can call me Nat for short. Brief intro about me. I am Latina, I'm a law student, and I make beauty and lifestyle content here on YouTube. So yeah, definitely excited to be back filming this very exciting video today, at least for me, because so as you can see by the title, it's a how to make your own iced vanilla latte at home. I literally love coffee. My friends and family will tell you I literally am obsessed with coffee. Like anytime that somebody asks me like, hey, you want to go, get iced coffee from here or whatever and walk around? Yes. Where? When? I will be ready in 10 minutes, because there's just something about fresh iced cup of coffee, like during warm weather times when you're hanging out with your friend, just chatting it up. It just brings me so much happiness. But like I have said, I am a student and I'm on a budget. Even if you're not a student, everybody should have some kind of budget, if you can. And let me tell you, those trips to the coffee shop, expensive. And sometimes the coffee isn't even that good. Like sometimes I'll be trying some coffee at the coffee shop and I'll be like a new coffee shop that I haven't been to, and I'm like, that was okay. And I'm like, I just wasted $8 on this, Starbucks coffee, I really like the way it tastes. I do. It's really expensive. It is so expensive. And I used to be like, when I'm studying or whatever, I'm like, oh, I need a break. I need a coffee break. Let me drive over to Starbucks real quick. I deserve it. What is it? Like, treat yourself or whatever. But that started to hurt my piggy bank. So I was like, let me find out a way where I can replicate that coffee that I get from Starbucks or wherever that I really, really like, in my own home, so I can save money and I can literally have that coffee whenever I want to. Like, let's say I don't have access to a coffee shop near me or a car or whatever, and I'm really craving a coffee. I'm like, I want to be able to make it at home in the exact same yummy way that I buy it out, outside. So this is a video for that. If you're looking to replicate like a dupe for like, a really yummy coffee that you buy outside, specifically this is the iced vanilla latte. Let me tell you, this creamer in this recipe that I have found literally tastes like such high quality coffee, in my opinion, that I really don't find myself craving outside coffee that much anymore. Like, I'll do it socially, like if a friend invites me, but if I'm ever like out in the street, I'm like, I'm not really craving, that much, as much. Sometimes I do, but like, I don't find myself craving it as much because I'm like, I have it at home and I literally have it all the time. And yeah, if you try it out, let me know. So yeah, enough about that. Let's just get into the video. Okay, hey guys, I have to be like down here because of the angle of the camera, because I do want to show you with my hands what I'm going to be doing. So you just saw me in the last clip see how I made my coffee. I use a mocha pot, and I've always used a mocha pot. That's how I grew up seeing my parents do it, and I just love mocha pot coffee. I'll show you the brand that it's called, I forget what it's called, but I will show you it. It's let me just show you it. I'm here chatting. Oh, this is the brand of coffee that I always use in my mocha pot. I've grown up with this brand of coffee, so I really like it. So yeah, you just saw me prepare my coffee in the mocha pot. So because this is an iced coffee, I did put that coffee that I made in the mocha pot into the fridge for a couple hours, in this little coffee container. So yeah, that's how I get like the base coffee. You see me here, I have my glass jar with the ice already inside of it. So I'm gonna show you how I add my coffee, the milk, and the sweet cream foam that I make. So good. So the title of this video is vanilla latte. To me, it tastes like vanilla latte. Technically, the creamer flavor is called sweet cream. It's so good. To me, it tastes like vanilla. You guys, so good. It really, really tastes like the sweet cream at Starbucks. No joke. So let me just talk y'all through it. Okay, so basically, I put in some coffee. Ooh. Oh no. I wanted it to be aesthetic. It spilled. Oh well. Okay. So this is how much coffee I put in. I'm gonna put in a little bit of milk. I'm Colombiana, so we do café con leche. So I'm gonna put a little bit of milk. This is just a 2% milk from Harris Teeter. Just a little bit. Okay. Okay. So for the fun part comes the sweet cream foam. So let me tell y'all about this sweet cream, okay? Can you see it in the camera? You guys, this sweet cream is this creamer is so good. It's the brand Natural Bliss by Nestle Coffee Mate. Oh my gosh, this specific flavor, sweet cream, it is literally the best creamer that I have ever tasted in my whole life. And like I said, definitely resembles like the Starbucks sweet cream that they use. And I just honestly, I get so hype about this creamer because I just got so excited when I found it. I was like, this is the creamer. Because in order to find like the perfect creamer, you have to really taste all of them, you know, kind of like a trial and error. So this is it. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour a little bit into here because I am gonna froth it with the frother that I have because it wouldn't be sweet cream foam without the froth. So yeah. So this is the frother that I have. It's just a $10 one from Harris Teeter and it's really easy to use. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you how all right. There we go. Hopefully you can kind of see it getting frothy and thick. So I just like to do it for like, I don't know, like 20 seconds or something. I like it real frothed, you know what I mean? Like real, cause it just tastes different. It really does. The froth makes it taste different. Anyone who tells you otherwise is wrong. Okay, so this is the fun part. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is literally my favorite part. Yeah, I'm gonna just... Yep, that's the part. That is literally the part. Oh my gosh. That is my favorite part. This image right here gives me serotonin. Truly it does. And so I wait for it to seep. I'm gonna turn it so you can see. Like, look at that. That is just wonderful. So I like to mix it around with my straw. Reusable straws because we need to take care of our planet. So I just want to mix it around a little bit. I do like to use a straw for it, but my first sip, my mouth has it has to taste the froth. Taste test. Oh my gosh. Literally, if you order like latte with sweet cream cold foam on top, this is what it tastes like. This is literally what it tastes like. And the creamer is like $6 at the store. So it is a little expensive like compared to the other creamers that are like $4. But I can make like 30 of these for $6. So save your coin, and so good. Oh my gosh, so good. Or you can enjoy it with a straw. When I'm feeling bougie, I like put my little straw in here. So good. So that is how I make my vanilla lattes at home. I hope that this video gave you inspiration to be able to make your own coffee at home, to save your coins, to, you know, if you're a student or if you're like a young person or whoever you are, if you're on a budget, guys, this will save you so much money. Like if you're a coffee lover like me, it will save you so much money, and you wouldn't be sacrificing the quality or anything because it literally tastes the exact same. And it's so easy to make. So yeah, so thank you guys for sticking around to the end of the video. If you stuck around to this end, you are a real one. I appreciate it so, so much. I will be uploading a new video next week, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, it was so great talking to y'all, and I hope you guys have a great and blessed day. Bye!